morning, students. Now today we will move to exercise 2b from exponent exercise. So exponents exercise 2b. Question number 1 says write each of the following numbers in standard form. Right? Each of the numbers following the given numbers in standard form. So question number 1 says 57.36. Okay, my dear students, mind one thing. While writing any number in standard form, we will keep in mind that the decimal must be extreme left side, leaving only one digit. Decimal must be extreme left, leaving only one digit. Right? So we have decimal here. So we have to place decimal from here to here. So that will be 5.736 into 10 to the power 1, because 10 is removed, 1 0 is removed from there, and that will give you 10 to the power 1. So this will be your in standard form. We will take one more question from it. Question number 5. 463 10 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. Now here we do not see any decimal here, right? But keep in mind each and every number have decimal at extreme right. So here we do have decimal at this point, but we have to place this decimal from here to here. Means extreme left, leaving only one digit. We have to place this decimal to extreme left, leaving only one digit. So how many zeros, how many tens are removed? Escape from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, so 4.63, and the number of tens, number of zeros that is leaving left out from here, we will place at the power of 10. So 10 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So that will be your answer. Now we will take one more question. Question number 6. 3 4 5 into 10 to the power 5. Nice. Now where will you see decimal here? Here, extreme right. Now we have to place this decimal from here to here. So 2 zeros are removed. So that is 3.45 into, since 2 zeros are removed, so 2 will be added to the power 5, and 5 plus 2, 7. So that will be 10 to the power 7 will be your answer. Now we will move to question number 2. Question number 2 says write each of the following numbers in usual form. Here they were in usual form, we have written them in standard form. Now these are in standard form, we have to convert them, we have to write them in usual form. So question number 1, 3.74 into 10 to the power 5. Now how many zeros are here? 5 zeros. Means we have to multiply it 3.74 into 1 2 3 4 5. This 2 0 will remove this decimal from here, and this 3 0 will be written with that 374, and 3 zeros will be here 1 2 and 3. This is in standard form. So 374,000 standard form is this, and its usual form is this. Now we'll take one more question from it to make it clear. Question number 3. Question number 3 says 4.1253 into 10 to the power 7. So we can write it as 4.1253 into 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 7. Power is 7, so we will write 7 zeros here, right? Now these 7 zeros means this number is to be multiplied with 4.1253, right? So 1 2 4 3 4 4 digits will be removed, means this decimal comes here once while we multiply it by this. Now 2 0 remains here, this 2 zeros. So 4 1 2 5 3 0 0 will be your answer in usual form. So its standard form is this and this usual form is this. Now we move to question number 3. Question number 3 says the height of, first question of question number 3, the height of Mount Everest is 8848 meter. Write it in standard form. Okay, so height of Mount Everest is 8848 meter. So this is in usual form. We have to convert it in standard form, right? So 8848. Here we do have decimal here. To the extreme right of the given number, we have to place this decimal from here to here, leaving 3 zeros, means 1000. So that will be 8.848 into 1 2 3. Now at the next we will write 10 to the power 3. 3 zeros will give you 10 to the power 3. So this much meter is the height of Everest in standard form. Now we'll take one more question from it. Question number 3. This is the distance from Earth to the Sun is given. Write it in standard form. So distance of Earth from Sun, that is given 1496. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So where we do have decimal here? To the extreme right, we have to place this decimal from here to here, leaving only one digit to the extreme left side, right? So how many zeros are removed? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. So we will write simply 1.496 into 10 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. So this is the distance of Earth from Sun, that was given in meter. So we will write in meter. Okay. My dear student, question number 4 says mass of Earth is given 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg and mass of Moon is 7.35 into 10 to the power 22 kg. Question says what is the total mass of the two? What is the total mass of the two? We have to add their mass given there. So total mass of Earth and Moon is 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 plus 7.35 into 10 to the power 20. Now we have to add these two. Before adding them, we have to keep in mind that 10 to the power 24 and 10 to the power 22. Once we convert it, once we change it to 10 to the power 22, so the both sides will be 10 to the power 22. So we can take them common and simply we can add them to make it easy. So for that, we will do what? 5.97 into, we will take 2 zeros from here. Once 2 zeros is taken, that will be 10 to the power 22. So once we take 2 zeros, it does mean 100 is taken, right? So that becomes 10 to the power 22 plus 7.35 into 10 to the power 22. Simply, now 100 multiplied to 5.97 will give you 597. So that is 597 into 10 to the power 22. Here 7.35 into 10 to the power 22. Now we do see that 10 to the power 22 and 10 to the power 22 is common in both of them. So we can take them common right? And 597 and 7.35 will be added together. So 597 plus 7.35 are added together, and 10 to the power 22, as I have told, we will take them common. So 10 to the power 22. Now simply we have to add these two. So 597 decimal 00 and 7.35. I am adding these to show you how to add these two decimals. Most of the students do mistakes while adding two decimals, right? So 5, 3, 7, 7, 14 is 106. So that is 604 decimal 35 into 10 to the power 22 kg. This will be your answer. Okay, students, take common. So we have taken 100 from them and multiply to 5.97, that is 597, then added together, this has the result. Okay, now moving to question number 5. Question number 5 says write each of the following numbers in standard form. Again we have to change, we have to write in standard form. So question number 1, 0.0006. Okay, so what will we do? We will remove this decimal from here. So this will give you 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, right? So next to it we can write it as 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, students. Now 6 into, as this division sign changes to multiplication sign, and this will be written at the numerator side, we will give its exponent minus. We will change the sign of the exponent. So that will be 10 to the power minus 4. This will be standard form. We will take some more questions from this to make it clear. Question number 6. That is 0 decimal. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. Simply, very simple. We will remove this decimal. This will give you 1 at the denominator side, and we will count the numbers after decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 2, 2, 2, 2. 11. So 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. We can match. We have to match them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now 6, 8, 9, 10 to the power 11. Okay. Now we have to write it as 6, 8, 9 into 10 to the power minus 11, but this is not in standard form. Here we do have decimal here. Okay, so we have to change this decimal from this side to this side. So these two decimal will be removed from here. So that is 6.89 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 11. Now we have to add their exponent. As the bases are same, we have to add their exponent. So that is 6.89 into 10 to the power 2 minus 11. So this will give you 6.89 into 10 to the power 11 minus 2 minus 9. That will be your answer. Okay. Question number 6. Question number 6 is same as above. Question number 5 you will do it. Now question number 7. Write each of the following numbers in usual form. Numbers in standard form is given. We have to change it. We have to write it in usual form. Right. Question number 7. 1. 2.06 into 10 to the power minus 5. So what we do? 2.06 by 10 to the power 5, we can write it as like this way. Now it is so that 2.06 10 to the power 5 means 1 has 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now we will write 206 counting from here. 1, that is 2. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 zeros means 5 places decimal will be placed at the left side. Mind it. 5 zeros are there. Means 10 to the power 5 means 5 zeros are there. We have to place this decimal after 2 before 5 places. So 5 places we will count from here, right? Here, just suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this decimal comes here and here we will place. So finally we can write it as 0 decimal 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0 and 6. Okay? One more question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is 4 decimal 129 into 10 to the power minus 3. So we can write it as 4 decimal 129 by 10 to the power 3. It does mean that 4 decimal 129 1 upon 1, 2, 3 zeros. These 3 zeros says that we have to place this decimal 3 point left side from 0. So counting from 4. So that 4, 1, 2, 9. We have to count 4 as 1. So 1, 2, 3. This is in usual form. Okay students, so this exercise is finished. You will solve it in your homework copy. Now in our further classes we will move to test paper 2. Okay students, best of luck.